In today's video, I'll show you how to change the CNAME and host settings in HostGator. These steps are useful if you're redirecting your domain or connecting it to another service. Don't worry if it sounds technical. I'll walk you through step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the HostGator website. At the top right corner, click Sign In. Enter your login credentials and you'll land on your HostGator dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the website section and click on it. This is where you'll begin making changes to your DNS settings. Next, click on Settings, then open Advanced. This will give you access to more detailed hosting options. From there, click Manage to make sure you have admin control. Now, select Domains. This section is where you control DNS records like A records, MX records, and of course, CNAMEs. Once inside, click Zone Editor. This tool allows you to view and edit DNS records, including CNAME entries. Now, find the CNAME record option and click it. You can either add a new CNAME or update an existing one. A CNAME maps an alias, like www, to your main domain or another service. Enter your host details carefully, double check the target value, and then save your changes. Mistakes here can make your site go offline, so always review before saving. And that's it. You've successfully updated your CNAME and host settings in HostGator.